We started our trip in Plummer to Harrison. Then we rode about 36 miles to Pinehurst. Then we did a day trip to Wallace, saw the Blues Festival, did the Silver Mine, went back to Pinehurst, stayed there for a couple days, and then rode all the way back to Harrison, and finally back to Plummer. And last night, we couldn't find our keys, so I just imagined that I was going to pull up into the parking lot and find these keys still hanging in the rooftop carrier, and it was a bummer because they were not there. And we are leaving. Okay, here's our first campsite in Coeur d'Alene. So this is really the first day of camping. We got in last night at like 10 o'clock and got our big 6-person tent set up, and I went into Safeway this morning about 15 minutes into town to grab some cereal and such. Got some. We love this tent because there's a big rainfly, and when you're bike touring, it's amazing to have a big rainfly. And it looks like we have a child watching TV and a baby on the loose. Hello, hello. So here's a typical bathroom and shower combo. Here we go. These are kind of nice. There you go. We've arrived at the trailhead. Just check out and see how little Evie's doing. And Hazel. All right, we are off the beginning of the trail. Cruising downhill for like 5 miles, a 3% grade at the beginning of the trail from Plummer. So these kids are just cruising along.
We're going like 20 miles per hour right now. What are you doing,
You're the leader. You're good. Okay, the second day of riding, we actually stayed on this RV pad. There was a big adventure cycling excursion. A lot of those people were staying there, and at the park up there, it was nice. Yeah, we stayed here on this pad, and we're getting ready to go. The goal was to get out by 8. We're about 8:10 right now, but we should be off in a minute. We're gonna go to the store first too, to find food. And last night, we couldn't find our keys, so we had a miscommunication. And I rode back into town. So I decided to ride back to Plummer, the 15 miles, back the 10 and then up the 5-mile hill to see if the keys were there. was kind of scary, and on the way back it was really dark, but I just imagined that I was gonna pull up into the parking lot and find these keys still hanging in the rooftop carrier, and it was a bummer because they were not there. So I couldn't figure it out, and I just raced home, didn't get back till like 11. It was dark, I thought I was gonna run into a moose or something. But yeah, they weren't there, but I kind of, imagined that I had put them in the glove box, but I couldn't be for sure. And that was kind of a thought that came to me as I was riding back. So I really just tried not to stress about it, and we were gonna see if they were there when we got back. Oh yeah. We're at the Wallace Blues Festival. My baby wrote me a letter. My baby wrote me a letter. My baby wrote me a letter.
I'm looking around like, what? Where'd you have?
Campsite in Harrison. On the way here we stayed at the RV pad, but on the way back we're here staying in the camping spot. Nothing special, but there is a cherry tree, and that's the path just right up here. Alright, so we're gonna see if the keys are in fact in the glove compartment. Yes, they are. Alright, so we finished the trip. Bennett rode 150 miles. He did it all, well, he didn't do it all on his own. We probably pulled him about 15 miles. Our 7-year-old rode the whole way. Our 10-year-old did great. The kids in the trailers did fine. But it was an amazing trip. A lot hotter than we thought it was gonna be. You can see the temperature, but it was just hot. So we really enjoyed being able to swim. And if you're looking for a family trip to do in Coeur d'Alene, then this is gonna be the trip for you. So I'll also include a link to the trip that I took my 10-year-old on through France in the Loire Valley. And that is absolutely amazing. If you're interested in taking your family on another trip, then to Europe, then the Loire Valley could be a great way to go. So Talk to you later, and we'll see you on the road on your bike tour.